So what is the future of digital learning for the modern adult learner? I'd like to introduce a concept called MPPG. And it's something that we created based on the science of adult learning, otherwise known as andragogy. Different from pedagogy, which is the science of the way children learn, andragogy is actually the way that adults learn. So in andragogical principles, adults need to engage with the content, they need to basically have dialogue, and they need to reflect and apply that learning in order to really have a really deep experience. So what does MPPG stand for? First, MobileFirst. MobileFirst is the idea of empowerment and access. There are over 5 billion people in the world who have access to mobile phones. That's more than the number of people with access to clean water, which is another issue. P is about participation and participatory learning. That's based on the science that adults need to engage and participate and interact with whatever they're learning to help deepen that experience. The second P is personalized. Actually, with technology now, we can do a lot more personalization of learning that greets you by name or that actually understands your preferences and be able to tailor content for you. Group-based is actually the idea of social and collaborative learning because it's group-based, because adults learn through dialogue and discussion. So group-based learning enables that kind of peer-to-peer or coaching and mentorship kind of relationship to help deepen that learner experience. So at the end of the day, why does MPPG even matter? And why do we need to evolve digital learning? The reason is impact and effectiveness. The MPPG approach, because it's grounded in science and research, results in significantly higher completion rates, engagement rates, observed behavior change on the job, higher business performance, and a significant reduction in terms of time and cost for learning pretty much anything. So at the end of the day, MPPG is not just about being relevant and fun and sexy, which is all good stuff too. It's also because it makes business sense and it drives higher business ROI and impact.